Last night I started getting the squealing noise, right? Didn't know what it was. So it's just a pulley, and my fucking boat looks like it wants to jump off. So I don't know if they gave me the wrong pulley. See how, look at it straight. See how the pulley's over there. Over on this side. See it right there. That motherfucker's crooked as hell, making it squeal like crazy. Not even close, like, look at it straight on. You see the belt behind it on the edge. Yeah. Well, I guess it has to be the tensioner, because watch this. So, I tighten it up, it gets nice and tight, right? But when I let it go, if I stop right there, it's good. If I let go all the way, the bottom kind of separates. If you look at the bottom gap, it kind of like spreads. That dowel is like coming out. I think my tensioner is just junk. I mean, it's supposed to compress like that when you turn it. But I think it's supposed to stay tighter than that. And then it fucking like falls out like that, you know what I mean? That might be my problem. Because the wheel's nice and straight when I pull it back until I let it go. And watch this. You'll legit see the wheel like move. So I'll pull the idle back, the tensioner back. Alright, I'll pull the tensioner back. Then when I release pressure, you see the whole arm. See how it moves right there? Boom, boom, it like sags out at the bottom.
It's Crossfinger, baby.